Hey guys,
Amanda and Megan here with you.
we just wanted to do a little Pick Me Pops review. We've opened the Pick Me Pops before, but we haven't opened most of these series. We've only done the cotton candy ones.
Which are super cute.
Yeah, we got these all at Target last night, so I'll let Amanda go first. What do you want to open?
Out of this Pick Me Pop haul, I think I really want to open the Pick Me Pop surprise bubble drops.
Bubble Drops.
Yeah, and I'm just gonna
Yes.
pick this cute little guy right here because he's closest to me.
Here's some scissors for you.
Thank you. Did not expect that to happen so easily. It's so adorable. Look at these colors. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is a lot of glitter. It's beautiful.
Oh, is it? Is there checklist?
Those are all such cute choices. Oh my gosh. He's right here. Blowing his great bubble. Oh!
Are these scented?
I don't smell the scent, but I definitely think of grape when I look at his glitter in there. And then, what do cats wear when they sleep? Pajamas. Pounce the cat looks like his little tag. There's not like anything to attach it to him like I've seen on some of those other guys. He's really cute though, he's really soft. And so colorful. So sweet.
Okay, so I have to open the other one, right?
Yeah.
Oh wait, it says pull here. So let's see. Alright, beautiful blue.
Oh my god.
I think it's a cow! Oh my god! Alright, ready guys?
Oh my gosh. Double the cow.
They're so cute. What else is in here?
Common.
So the checklist, obviously. Yeah, and just this thing. What do cows do in their spare time? Listen to music.
Those are cute. He's so awesome. I love his colors. He's like tie-dye and water
they're
paint
so
all
cute
at the
together.
same time.
And then I did see that, yeah, on the back of this over here, you can open it, take it out in case it gets dirty or something.
Ooh,
You could
yeah.
probably swap them too with other ones to create different ones since they have different colors.
Ooh, that sounds fun.
These are so soft. And I guess if the outside gets dirty, you can clean it too.
Our Pounce the Cat is rare.
Ooh.
So we got a rare and a common.
Yeah. Awesome. Okay.
Cute.
Gotta keep it going.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I want to open one of the little eggs.
Yes.
I think I'm going to take this one here in the center because it's bright pink. Ooh, Pick Me Pop egg. There's nothing on there. Does this have the perforation? It does. Oh, that was much smoother than I anticipated. Yay! That's always awesome. Souffle something. Let's see. A little checklist. Oh, it's cute and teeny. 15 to collect. They also have a little cow. Awesome. Adorable. Let's see who we got. Oh, it's a little bunny.
That's cute.
He's pretty soft. Comes with a little thread. So you can hang him. Souffle the bunny. That's who we got.
Souffle.
Yeah. You're simply extraordinary is what his little kind of tag is.
That's cute.
All right.
Okay, I want to open another one over here. Let's see what we got. I really like this color. Same checklist, I assume. Almost fell. Oh, I think it's a penguin.
Aw, Wobble the penguin. It's blueberry, it says. So maybe these ones are supposed to smell.
Oh,
don't
yes.
smell mine.
Oh, it smells so good. It's so cute. Yes.
And she's common.
You're common and adorable. And then her tag says, "You're a good egg." Well, maybe some days.
This one was supposed to be marshmallow. It smells kind of sweet.
Ooh, let me see. Ooh, that smells so sweet.
Awesome.
Sorry, I think
Oh no.
got trash everywhere. Do you want to open up that last one?
Yes.
They're so cute. I love the colors,
are
guys.
so
Look at all of these colors.
This one's a light pink. What's this?
Pop.
Boop. Another checklist. Alright. Let's see who else we got. Last but not least.
Yay!
Aw,
all different ones.
cute. That's always
I can't
exciting.
see. Aw, that's cute.
That is so cute.
All right, you can let them see now. I just wanted to see.
He's super, super adorable. I love the colors down on his little bottoms.
Ooh, do his ears flap up?
They don't.
Oh, they're like sewn down.
Yeah.
Interesting.
They're just down. Cute little cheekies and those
What does he smell
eyeballs. He smells like pumpkin pie, but he smells kind of weird. Hacky the dog.
Oh yeah,
This guy right here.
he's definitely
pumpkin pie.
smells like just cloves and nutmeg, maybe.
Yeah.
Not pumpkin pie spice, but he's cute. What does his little egg say about us?
Hacky the dog's little egg says, "Excuse me, you're the best."
Aw, thanks.
Aww.
How adorable.
Sweet.
Okay, I can't stand it. I want to know what's inside this one. We
Oh
got
my gosh. That's so
such
awesome.
cute ones, honestly. Hopefully they're not the same ones. It says pull here. I'm gonna try to do that. We tried to do it last time, but I don't really understand what's supposed to happen. So, and then the tag or the collector's guide is right here. So, pulling. Yeah, see, I don't understand what that's all about. So, if you could tell us what that's all about, Moose Toys, that'd be cool. But until then, I'm just gonna cut the top. So cute and soft.
That is so pretty. Those colors are
beautiful.
awesome.
As I drop it. Okay, let me see what it smells like. Ooh, I think this this one also smells like that same marshmallow scent. I'm not really sure. Let's see who's inside. Ooh, whoever it is red. Oh, it's tough. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a fox or a kitty. Oh my goodness, I think it's a kitty.
Cute. I think it is a kitty too.
Let's see.
I love
Right
it.
here.
Who did we get?
Yeah, I think that is Nuzzle the cat. Oh,
Ooh,
pumpkin pie.
also pumpkin pie.
Oh, I knew I smelled it earlier. It's not my favorite smell.
It's
Ooh.
definitely interesting.
It is interesting.
Yeah.
Let's see what I got going on over here. Ooh, it's a little bent, but here's this reflector.
That's so cute. I love those little holograms.
And then the little chain that comes with that one. Yay,
Little
that one was
name tag.
awesome. Okay, I think you have to open that one. Other one.
Oh my gosh, look at that face is too cute already.
Yeah, look at all of them together. They look so good.
Ooh, I'm pretty excited. Try mine maybe. Pull here. There's an arrow. I don't know who on earth would be able to like twist this off in this manner. It's not me.
Oh, same one.
Me also.
I don't think it
Ooh.
is though. It looks like it's kind of purple.
These things
on the
are
inside.
so soft. It does look purple. Oh my gosh, it's purple. Whoa.
It's the bat!
Oh!
I
Oh
am
my
so
gosh, look at the wings!
Yay! That
Megan,
the one
it's
I
a little
wanted
bat.
So bad.
That is so awesome!
Oh, and the colors look just
Ooh.
like our wall behind it.
I don't know what it's supposed to smell like, but it smells really good.
You do smell good.
Oh, Foofle the bat is supposed to smell like strawberry. A strawberry bat.
Oh, you're a
Oh.
fruit bat.
That's so cute.
I'm
I'm so glad.
giddy. This is the one I wanted. I can't believe it.
I'm happy they're not the same. And their outsides are both really awesome.
Ooh, let's see what the little this thing is.
Oh my
Still got a
gosh.
thing left
I
to
got so
open.
excited about him that I forgot there was another piece. Oh wow.
Yay!
What is
it?
in here? Oh, it's that little hologram.
And he's eating a strawberry.
He is. I love that. And there must be a little chain in here, a little purple chain to go with him.
Nice.
Sweet. I love
That is
it.
so cute.
Oh my gosh, you have to open that big one.
All right. Ooh, there's a cord right there. All right. I actually have no idea what this is. Oh, here. Contents. Boom. What? It says 2 scented plush
Oh my gosh.
with dangler string, 1 medium lollipop vessel. This, possibly.
Okay.
4 surprise items, 2 surprise messages, 1 lollipop stand. Oh, cool. We can get this to stand when we're done.
Yay.
2 clips and 1 collector's guide.
Oh my gosh, that seems like a lot of surprises for one toy. That's awesome.
Right? Okay. Pull here. Ooh, got it.
Yeah.
Ooh, except for it's covered in this thing too.
Oh, another. Fantastic.
So far you're winning for trash, Mr. Lollipop.
Whoa.
Making it rain, blind bags.
Yeah.
Okay, so first of all,
Awesome.
this is our lollipop. Yellow, beautiful lollipop stand, I assume.
Sweet.
I'm gonna stick him back right there.
That is so awesome.
Oh, we could fill
Little
all of our
display
Pick Me
case.
Pops with them. Or in there.
Yes.
Okay, so Pick Me Pop, Pick Me Pop. These feel like the 4 surprises over here. So I'm gonna open this thing first.
Yes.
No, this thing has to be the collector guide, right? I'm not really sure.
Yeah.
What is this?
Oh my gosh! Are those like tiny little emery boards for your fingernails?
No.
What are
They're
they?
sticky notes.
Oh my gosh. Sticky
We're
notes?
such dorks, but stationery
That's
is so
awesome.
cute. Pick me pops. Aw, that's so cute.
That's fantastic.
I thought that was the guide. It wasn't. Maybe this is. I kind of feel it in here, maybe.
And the pad's a little pineapple. Awesome.
Yeah, it's so cute. Okay. Collector guide. I found it.
Yay!
So we've got common, rare, ultra rare, limited edition.
I really like the way they have the
Common.
rares arranged on the other ones. It's just kind of like color coded, so it's harder to tell a little bit. That's pretty sweet.
That is
Grid.
awesome. Will you help me out there?
Yes.
Oh,
I'd
wait,
love
wait.
to.
Oh, okay. So there's clips. For your pick me pops, I'm not sure. We haven't opened these, so I don't know. And then what else is in here? We've got some stickers.
Love stickers.
And then
Those are always cute.
some of these, but I think this tells us who they are.
So
I
we
don't
gotta
know.
wait. Gotta wait till the end, maybe.
Oh, here we go. That's what tells us how to use our clip. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. I'm excited. I'm gonna open this
Yay.
one. And then I'm gonna let Amanda open this next thing. Ooh, this is a different clip. It's a donut. Speaking of the
Oh my
donuts, we're
gosh.
looking for the Domies to review next because Pick Me Pops have stolen our hearts.
Yes. Cute.
As I drop it onto the
Okay.
ground. Kerplash! Alright, Amanda, do you want to open one of those blind bags?
I
See who's in
do.
there. I'll get rid of some of this.
I want to see what's inside this thing. Ooh. Make it nice and easy. Ooh, look at that. It's like a little container.
Aw, that is so cute.
Wow.
Pick Me Pops. You got some cute
It's on a
stuff.
nice little band so you can take them everywhere. I love it. Little case. Woohoo.
I think these two are squishy, so I'm gonna open one and then you can open one.
All right.
And we'll see who's inside here. Oh wait, I don't think I need scissors, guys.
Ooh, that was nice.
Yeah. Ah, who are you?
Oh my gosh. Rare snacks. Yeah, the plain cat.
Snacks. We love snacks. And
Rare.
the snacks too.
The snacks rare.
Ooh, and he smells like marshmallows, I think.
It is. It does have a little picture of some marshmallows next to him in the heat.
Look at his little tail.
Oh, it's Floofy.
And then, check this out. Guys. Ooh,
Oh my
I am the
gosh.
fanciest kid at the prom.
That's awesome.
That was all that was in there. And that corresponds with this Snacks the Playing Cat.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing you might get Grace this one.
I think so. Let's see if I can open it about. Oh, very nice.
Yes!
Yes.
So cute. Look, she's covered in fruits.
I love that they're both like funfetti colored.
Yeah. they
That's awesome.
Match, but they're totally different.
Yeah.
Amazing.
With a cute little fruit pattern on there.
So cute.
Oh.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. We had so much fun opening these Pick Me Pops for you. If you had a good time, we hope that you like and subscribe because it really helps us out. I hope you have a nice day. We'll see you later.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Do 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 do.